Hi friends, here we are given an equation x square minus 4x plus 13 and alpha beta are roots of this equation. Then we have to find the equation whose roots are alpha power 4 minus 4 alpha cube plus 13 alpha square plus 2. Similarly, beta cube minus 4 beta square plus 13 beta plus 1 whole by 4. Okay, at the outside, it looks very clumsy. I mean, this is a equation which needs a lot of computation because the roots are actually the roots of this equation, with the equation that we have to find, are looking very clumsy. But if you see, there is some similarity. X square minus 4x plus 13. 1 minus 4, 13. Here also 1 minus 4, 13. Here also 1 minus 4, 13. Okay. Basically, what we can see is if we take alpha square common from these three, we will get alpha square. If we take common, we will be left with alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 13. Here, if we take beta common, then we'll be left with beta square minus 4 beta plus 13. Okay. So, something related here between this equation and this equation. Now, alpha beta are roots of the equation. What does that mean? Alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 13 is equal to 0. At the same time, beta square minus 4 beta plus 13 equals to 0. Let us try to use that here. Okay. When alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 13 equals 0, this part we can take alpha square common and we can write this as alpha square into alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 13. Right. This first three terms will become like this. Now, but this is anyway 0. So this entire expression, this entire part is actually 0. We will be left with only 2. Right. So basically, equation whose roots are this one, that means this entire expression is actually 0. This means the expression will boil down to only 2. This is useless because this all will become 0. So equation one of the roots is 2. What about the other one? This one also. If we take beta common, we'll be left with beta square minus 4 beta plus 13. So this entire part is anyway 0 because beta is the root of this equation. Right, beta square minus 4 beta plus 13, this is also equal to 0. So we'll be left with this one and this one, which is 1 by 4. So basically, we know the roots of the new equation that we want. What are those roots? One is 2, one is 1 by 4. What does that mean? What is our equation? X minus 2 into x minus 1 by 4. X minus 1 by 4, if we make it, this becomes 4x minus 1. That 4 we can ignore because 4, if we take it this side, it will anyway be 0. So the equation that we want is x minus 2 into 4x minus 1 equals 0. If we expand this, it will become x into 4x square, x into minus 1 minus 2 into 4x minus 8x plus 2. That means 4x square minus 8 minus 1. That is minus 9x plus 2. 4x square minus 9x plus 2 equals 0. Very, very simple problem. Just that by looking at this clumsy big expressions, we should not get worried. We should closely look at these equations or expressions and understand the similarity. 1 minus 4, 13. 1 minus 4, 13. That's it. There is no other. Right, guys? Thank you.